Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video, we will be checking out these brand new Mercedes-Benz S65 or S55 S-Class. In particular, based on the thumbnail, you might have seen that it is this time in white. Now, you might be thinking, have I skipped a few colors? Actually, no. I already ordered the silver version and also the red version from the Tarmac Works website, but haven't done a full review about it. So I have the silver and red pending for its review, which will be coming after this one, which is what we're gonna review today. Would be the Lamley Group x Tarmac Works Mercedes-Benz S-Class walled. Now, the reason I made this review first is because I managed to meet up with John Lambert from the Lamley Group, which is basically the diecast YouTuber or influencer over on YouTube, basically YouTube, Instagram, maybe Facebook, I think. John Lambert is a pretty well-known diecast reviewer, as far as you all may know from all of my previous Lamley Group x Tarmac Works videos. I did mention about John maybe sometime here and there, and I actually have a special clip in this video where I managed to meet John Lambert himself over here in Kuala Lumpur at a event, and I managed to ask him a few things about this car, which we have right here. He has signed it already for me, which I managed to get almost nearly all of my Tarmac x Lamley Group diecast cars, which would be the Lamley Group not event car, but I would say more to like the special collaboration cars. I managed to get signatures from him, basically, which was very nice, and I really liked it. So yeah, basically all of my Tarmac x Lamley Group diecast cars are now signed by Mr. John Lambert himself. And yeah, as you can see right here, we have the Mercedes-Benz S-Class walled edition, and this is the Tarmac Works x Lamley Group collaboration. That is his signature, LG2025, which stands for Lamley Group 2025. And you can see we have a black background for the car, the sort of like the brown, dark brown or dark maroon sort of design right there. The car itself from its side view, which is nice. Mercedes-Benz S-Class walled edition. Over on the top it says Global 64. Over on the side there's the back of the car, and of course Tarmac Works logo right there. Where else? At the back right here, Tarmac Works, Lamley Group, and of course at the bottom right here, manufactured by Tarmac Works, Tarmac Limited Management right there. There is your Mercedes licensing logo right there, Tarmac for good. There is your details, and the color is quite special here. We have it in Alabaster white, and which is a very nice color for their choice. Lamley special. There's a barcode, made in China. Now there will be a separate special clip of Mr. John Lambert on why he chose the white color on these Lamley Group collaboration cars, and of course depending on which type of car he chooses, so that basically Tarmac Works will approach him and ask whether he would want a white colored version of it, and call it a collaboration between Lamley and Tarmac. And yeah, you will watch that clip at the end of this video. So yeah, better stay tuned and basically watch the video till the end if you want to see that. So yeah, that is the whole box. That's his logo right there. I guess that's all. Let's take a look. See right here. We have another color of this, which would be the gold version, which I have in the background right here. Now that one is also similar. That is the S-Class walled, but that is a collaboration between Tarmac Works and hold on, the CLDC Car Lover Diecast. This one is Tarmac Works and Lamley Group, which is colored in white, and soon to be more colors of the wall. I'm having a hard time. There you go. So got the car out. So as you can see right here, we have the Mercedes-Benz S-Class walled in this beautiful, gorgeous looking alabaster white, which I like a lot right here. Just look at the details of the color right there. The white like metallic paint job on this is just fantastic. Love the white on this one. And then the whole detail of the car, man, it's very nice. So it's quite different compared to the previous two S-Classes that I reviewed, which one was in Horizon Metallic Blue and also the Tektite Gray Metallic. Those two have just the regular S-Class and also S65 AMG spec, whereas this one is basically in the walled special version, which is nice. Sort of like a Maybach, I think. I'm not sure. This looks very, very nice and clean indeed. Really like it. Right here, a lot of details. Let us put it on our turntable. So there we have our Mercedes-Benz S-Class walled edition in collaboration between Tarmac Works and also the Lamley Group. And I love the way that this car is made. Love the design. The color is also fantastic. Love the choice color here as well. So yeah, nice looking alabaster white, as you can see right here. Very subtle looking color, if you ask me, for a Mercedes like this. Now I expected it to be an S-Class, as a regular S-Class, but it turned out to be the walled version, which is very nice indeed. Really like that, and I'm surprised to see a gold version as well, made by CLDC and Tarmac Works. That is a very fine one as well, which we will focus on in another video, of course. And in this video, of course, we will focus on this beautiful looking S-Class walled in white. So we shall start with our talk on the car. So let's talk about the rims here. Love the gorgeous looking rims. I love the like silver spokes on the rims, very nice. So like chrome silver paint job, which is nice on the rims. Rubber tires, they're really nice. So the side profile is very nice as well. You do have the door handles right there, the the fuel tank right there, of course. Fuel cap, sorry. The license plate right there, colored in white. You have this long strip here as well. Two doors on each side, of course. A very nice looking car. Now here's where it looks different compared to the two S-Classes that I've reviewed previously. As you can see, the front bumper is a bit different, as you can tell. So you have gorgeous looking detailed front grille right here, as well as a small little intake at the bottom as well. So the license plate actually says Lamley right there, which is nice. Love the headlight details right there. As you can see, love the headlights. Really nice. So of course you do have parallel style front grille, which is nice, colored in sort of like a silvery sort of color, which is nice. You do have that tiny little Mercedes-Benz logo right there, the pop the physical logo right there on the hood, which is very tiny and very nice as well to see. So let's move on to the hood. Yeah, the hood of course looks clean as always, very nice. You do have some vents here as well. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, right hand drive, which is nice. Blacked out seats, really like that. You do even have the sunroof panel right here just for the passenger and driver side, of course, very nice. Over on this side of the car, yeah, it looks pretty much the same, but yeah, it looks very nice. I really like the design on this, the looks, of course, with the extra like side body kit, of course, as well. I wouldn't say it's like a body kit, but more to like a modification onto this car, maybe a walled modification, maybe, who knows. So yeah, love the rear lights right here colored in red as well. The Mercedes logo right there, the Lamley Group license plate again, which is nice. The rear diffuser, and also of course the twin exhaust tips on each side, which resembles 4 exhausts right there at the back, which are tipped in silver, which is actually really great. Love to see that on a car like this. So you have a metal, is it? Oh, sorry. It is a plastic blacked out base right here, which is nice. The 2 screws front and back. It says Tarmac Works and made in China. Mercedes-Benz S-Class walled. Oh wait, it doesn't say a walled, but still it is an S-Class indeed. So putting it back on the turntable. So yeah, you guys get to look at the car again before we proceed with our session with Mr. John Lambert himself, which to be honest, he actually didn't even get to receive this car himself as well from Tarmac Works or anyone yet thus far, and technically it is the first time he's seen this casting, and he was quite surprised to actually get to see it actually when I brought it to the event and he was about to sign it. He was actually quite surprised to see the car produced already, as well as already in production, of course. And yeah, he was quite shocked and really liked the car. I mean, yeah, you guys better watch the review of his about the car, which I will play right after this. Yeah, before we end this video, of course I would like to play this clip from me at the event together with Mr. John talking about this car. So yeah, let's take a look.
Our goal with Tarmac is to do this. They wanted to do something like a series. We're not limited to special editions, right? And so we decided we wanted to have something that would connect everyone with the cars. So we thought they don't have to be all JDM, they don't have to be all Euro. Why don't we just make it very simple and just make it the color? So it's always white. Now there might be variations of white. So whenever Tarmac is doing a global 64 white car, they'll talk and say, "Hey, do you want to do a Lamley edition on that?" And it varies. Sometimes they can put Lamley's name on it. Sometimes due to licensing they can't. But this one, I'm a big fan of Mercedes, and this was an easy one to do a white version and put my name on it. So, and what's funny is, yeah, I haven't seen it yet, so you guys have it well before I do. I was able to open it up just a minute ago, right?
You can
do that. So it's very nice. I expect them always to be nice, but this one in particular, like this is down my alley, right? There's a lot of cars that are interesting to me in general, but this one has a definite connection because I do like it's very much a luxury car, but a very purposeful car, and a Mercedes-Benz to me, especially like a classic sedan. That's how I think about the old diesels and things like that. That's how I think about Mercedes-Benz. And so this one definitely follows within that. So if you were to ask me, and one day I'll have to rank my favorite of the Lamley editions, this one will be up there with some of the others. It's one of my favorites. So pretty sweet car. And I'm glad you got it because I haven't seen it yet. And then there's always keep trying to get these back in the package and making sure everything is good. But there you go.
So that's the reason why you chose white for each of the colors?
Well, I'd like to say that I came to them and said, hey, let's do a Mercedes. But they came to me and said, do you want to do a white version of the Mercedes-Benz? I said, of course, let's do that. So I'd like to say it was a lot more back and forth, but ultimately it was like, do you want to do a Mercedes in white? And the answer was yes. We've done the Black Series, and we've done the AMG.
SLS?
Yeah, the SLS, and so this one makes perfect sense as well. So.
Just would like to request, why don't you try to suggest to Tarmac Works? Maybe they can do Mercedes AMG Black Series in white, the latest AMG Black Series.
Well, I think you will just tell them to watch this video, and you've told them. So that'll be perfect. Sounds good. Because yes, I agree. That would be a great one.
Maybe make it in white, and maybe they can collaborate.
Why not? I'm always game. So that's a great idea. Awesome. We'll enjoy it. You got it.
So yeah, overall that was quite a nice talk with Mr. John himself right there at the event. And yeah, hopefully you guys managed to get a thing or two about the Lamley Group diecast cars made in collaboration with Tarmac Works. And yeah, of course, I hope that Tarmac Works, if you are watching this video, maybe hopefully someday in the future, maybe you will proceed a collaboration with Mr. John about the AMG GT Black Series, maybe colored in white, just like the SLS that we had around a year or two ago. Yeah, hopefully we get to see the AMG GT Black Series shine as a Lamley Group production, and also a collaboration between Tarmac Works and of course colored in white as well. But yeah, there you go. That is all for my review today. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching cinematic videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.